Shilpa, Mashisa. Yes, sustainable development goals. ठीक है, so what do you mean by sustainable development goal? Without compromising the future generation, right? So the service and SDG, that is sustainable development goals, means satisfying the needs of the present generation, satisfying the needs of the present generation without compromising the need of the future generation, right? समझ आ गया? नहीं, हमने क्या करना होता है, सेटिस्फाई करना है प्रेजेंट जनरेशन को, ठीक है, मगर हमने ये भी देखना है कि हमने फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना है, समझ आ गया? वी शुड यूज द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज इन सच अ वे दैट इट शुड सेव फॉर द फ्यूचर जनरेशन ऑल्सो, लाइक water scarcity, which is a major problem in India. We should use the water in such a way that it fulfill the present generation but without compromising the future generation. That is the sustainable development goal. ठीक है? Now under this we will study the SDG alignment in service design. Now this is the link between service management and SDG. Now when we talk about the SDG, there are total 17 SDGs. ठीक है, कितने SDGs है? 17 SDGs है, and these goals adopted by the United Nations in 2015. So the main objective क्या है उनका? 2030 तक, ठीक है, 2030 तक it is designed to achieve better and more sustainable future by 2030. That's why the UN established this SDGs, and every country adopt this SDGs, adopting. ठीक है, now there are 17 sustainable development goals, right? So for example, there is a SDG 10. Yes, poverty, reduce the poverty, right? SDG 10, which reduce the inequalities, right? Then SDG 4, that is a quality education provide. Then SDG 9, which is the industry, innovation and infrastructure. Then SDG 12, that is a responsible consumption and production, right? So like that, there are 17 SDGs. There are 17 sustainable development goals. These goals adopted by the United Nations in 2015, right? So it is designed to achieve a better and more sustainable future by 2030. By 2030, we should achieve a better and more sustainable future. More sustainable future means without harming the future generation. हमने पानी को इस तरह से यूज नहीं करना है कि हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन तक वो बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो जाए. द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल इज इन लद्दाख, कभी भी पानी शॉर्टेज नहीं होता है, ठीक है. नाउ कितने सारे बोरवेल निकलते हैं, उसकी वजह से क्या किया हुआ है, दी लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर टुक द बेस्ट डिसीजन दैट इन म्युनिसिपैलिटी एरिया में उनको बिल्कुल ही बंद कर दिया. नहीं तो हर कोई निकाल देते, जिससे क्या होता, बहुत से पानी जो है वेस्टेज होता था. We didn't realize that in future generation पानी खत्म होने वाला, अंडरग्राउंड पानी खत्म होने वाला. So we should use that in such a way that it should not compromise the future generation. It should not harm the future generation. हमारे नीड भी पूरा हो, बट फ्यूचर के लिए भी सोचे, राइट? सो इसीलिए ये 17 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल जो है वो बनाया है. सो now how the link between the service management and SDGs, right? So how service management affect on sustainable development goals? Now first is innovation in services. Now when there is a innovation in services, it leads to the accelerated SDGs progress. जितने भी 17 SDGs है वो क्या करेंगे, प्रोग्रेस करेंगे जितना हम सर्विस में इनोवेशन लाएंगे, राइट? देन सेकंड इज सर्विस क्वालिटी एंड एक्सेसिबिलिटी. दैट मींस that lead to the reduced inequalities. That is the inequalities in another SDGs. Right. So service quality, if we provide the sub-qual service quality, we have studied earlier, if there is a sub-qual and accessibility, it reduces the inequalities. In every country, I taught my students when they first join the class, I always taught that there are 5 major problems in every country. Right. What are they? Unemployment, poverty, ग्रोथ नहीं होना, और प्राइस इंस्टेबिलिटी, forex, foreign exchange, right? So these are the problem which every country has, right? So service, if we provide the service quality and accessibility, it reduce the inequalities, which boost, which develop the sustainable development goals, growth. Then green service management. If there is a green service management means Ladakh wants to be organic till 2030, or don't know, 2030 I guess. That is a green service management. Without harming the environment, if we produce some product, e-vehicles, they provide the service, but harmful नहीं होता है जितना पेट्रोल और डीजल के होते हैं, right? So it's a green service management. So it leads to the climate action. Obviously क्या होगा, climate पे negative impact नहीं पड़ेगा, right? So service management, the green service management positively leads to the climate action. Then third is public service and governance. So when there is a good guidelines, there is a public services, there is a governance, then it becomes these strong institutions, right? Then services, when there is a services industry, more and more service industry established, which create the job creation and economic growth. When there is a more job creation, it automatically leads to the economic growth of the country, right? So जितना ज्यादा सर्विस इंडस्ट्री होगा उतना किसके लिए फायदा होगा, अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ के लिए, राइट? सो इट क्रिएट्स द जॉब क्रिएशन एंड इट ऑटोमेटिकली लीड्स टू द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ ऑफ द कंट्री. So this is the link between service management and SDGs. How service management leads to SDGs, Sustainable Development Goal. ठीक है? Now the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which are कितने SDGs है? 17, are a global blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future by 2030. That means जितने 17 Sustainable Development Goals है, अगर हम उसको अचीव करते हैं, that become the sustainable by 2030. हमने करना ही है by 2030. ठीक है? Now in your syllabus there is a SDG 8, right? Now SDG 8, when we talk about the SDG 8, it is decent work and economic growth. Decent work and economic growth. SDG 8 is what? Decent work and economic growth. Now the main goal of this is promote sustained, inclusive and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and decent work for all. This is the main goal of this SDG 8. So how service management connect with this? How service management connect with the decent work and economic growth? Right. So creating fair employment in the service industry. Service, जितने भी service industry है वहाँ पे क्या करना है? Fair employment. Now here the service industry is hospitality, IT sector, healthcare. उसमें क्या होता है? जितने भी employee होते हैं, what they provide? They provide service, right? So सर्विस मैनेजमेंट के थ्रू कैसे SDG 8 को मतलब कनेक्ट करेंगे? by creating a fair employment in the service industry, right? So ensure safe and healthy working environment. ensure safe and healthy working environment. We should provide the safe and healthy working environment so that it leads to the decent work and economic growth. Then investing in skills development and lifelong learning. So invest in a skill development. Investing in a skill development means we have to invest for the employee to provide the training to the employees. On job training, off job training, jo bhi ho, skills provide karna. Recently the Archie Kitchen owner has said, I have a skill in my hand. बोला था ना, I have a skill in my hand. So invest in a skill development so that it leads to the lifelong learning, right? Then how service management connect with the decent work and economic growth? It provides the equal opportunity and reducing gender inequality in the service sector. That means we provide the equal opportunity for the male and female. There is no compromise in the gender. There should be a equal opportunity and reducing gender inequality. Gender inequality को क्या करना, खत्म करना. Therefore, Alchi Kitchen provide the employment to women for the women empowerment, right? So SDG 9, it is all about the industry innovation and infrastructure, right? So the main goal is build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. That means we have to build the infrastructure by keeping the mind of sustainable. We have to foster the innovation by keeping the mind of the sustainable development, right? So how the service management connect with the industry innovation and infrastructure? By driving the innovation in service delivery, online banking, telemedicine. होता है ना? This is a driving innovation in service delivery, right? Now earlier what we used to, हमें जब भी पैसा चाहिए, हम क्या करते थे, एक फॉर्म भरते थे and we go to the bank, right? Always we used to go to the bank and withdraw the money. We always used to go to the bank and deposit the money. Now there is a online and digital marketing, the online banking. This is a driving innovation in service delivery, which leads to the industry innovation and infrastructure, right? Then building digital and physical infrastructure that support the customer needs. So building digital and physical infrastructure, AI nowadays, right? So using technology like AI, automation, responsibly to improve service without displaying workers unfairly, right? Every company should use the AI automation. This is all about the SDGs alignment in service design. How SDGs, Sustainable Development Goal, how service management linked to the SDGs. Where is SDGs? Right. Under this, we have studied the SDGs in details. We have studied the SDG 8 and SDGs 9 and 12. 12 is also there. Customer responsible consumption and production. Under this, the main goal is ensure sustainable consumption and production pattern. Right. So for this, how the service management connect? So reducing waste in the service industry, like hotel going paperless. Now there is a paperless. Earlier we used to fill the form for in the hotel and pay the and give the Xerox of our identity card. That should be paperless. Restaurant minimizing food waste. That is a reducing waste in service industry, which comes under the Sustainable Development 12. उसको हमने क्या करना है? Reduce करना है. So encouraging customer to maintain sustainable choice. That means eco-friendly travel option, green delivery, right? Polythene use नहीं करना है. Vivek is a polythene-free environment, right? So encouraging customer to make the sustainable choice. Then ethical sourcing in service supply chain. That means fair trade, coffee shop, ecotourism. That comes under the that creates the responsible consumption and production. ठीक है? कहाँ से